For commercial interior measurement, the biggest challenge isn't finishing the measurement, it's ending up with data that's difficult to use later. At a commercial fit out site in Huizhou, we demonstrated the full workflow with the SHARE SLAM S20. Using a handheld device, the space can be captured simply by walking through the site. For key areas, additional scans can also be added once scanning is complete. The point cloud data can be viewed directly in SHARE PointClouds Studio, not only for viewing the space clearly, but also for measuring distance, area, and angles. Next comes the CAD workflow, so the scan data continues to support design work, from site scanning to point cloud review, to measurements and CAD preparation. That's the kind of data workflow commercial renovation projects actually need.